So, good day everyone, and our topic for today is a simple student information system. So, this system must ask the user for their student ID, which is a string, full name, which is also a string, three grades that is float, and a section that is a string. And also, it must compute the average and display everything in a formatted report. So, ito po is a simple student information system po. So first, nag-initialize po tayo ng variable which is student ID and nanghingi po tayo ng input kay user and ginamit po natin is si input. Next naman po is si full name and same as the student ID, nanghingi po tayo ng input. For the grades 1, 2, and 3, ito po yung mga variables nila. Ito po yung mga input nila. And lastly, yung section po, which is a string. Kaya dito po tayo gumamit ng typecasting. Next naman po is pag nakuha na po natin yung value ng grades 1, 2, and 3 is i-compute na po natin yung average which is pag-add po lahat ng data and divide it kung ilan po sila. And in-store po natin iyon sa variable ng average. And for the output po is print lang po yung ginamit natin. Then call out sa mga variables like student ID, fname, section, grades 1, 2, and 3, and average. So pag niran po yan, student ID, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Full name. So, maglalagay na po tayo ng grade dito. And section. So, ito po yung magiging output po niya. So, nangingi po siya ng student ID, full name, grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3, and lastly, section. Then, display niya po ito sa student report sa baba.